Tornado Springs is a completely new area to the park. It covers sort of 4 acres with 8 new rides and attractions, and also a new shop and a new restaurant. We wanted a restaurant that served high quality food, quick and efficiently. When we were scoping out the concept, at the time, other fast food outlets, etc., were just starting to move into self-service. Lee introduced us to the concept in terms of what hardware was available. How do we integrate that into our KC-POS EPOS system? How do we actually communicate the orders into the kitchen, etc., to get that speed of service and efficiencies? So now we've got sitting here now sort of 3 days after opening, we started integrating KC-POS and the terminals very much into the logbook system, which is a kitchen management system. Customers come into the restaurant, placing their orders onto the self-service tills, paying for their order at the time, all integrated into all our other requirements, such as taking gift cards and all the other specialist bits and pieces that we have in terms of that transactional process. The order then goes into the kitchen and is split to go to the various different preparation stations, depending on what that order is, and the customers actually pick the orders up. It has worked really well, and the really pleasing thing is the guests seem to be very familiar with the process in terms of placing the orders. Once we'd got through the setup of the actual self-service tills and the back office bit, which the F&B team sort of manage and are getting used to, very much with the training that sort of Lee and his team have given them. The team now, I think, have very much got their heads around that and how that all works. The absolute adoption of it, I think, has been first class. From an operational point of view, we haven't got staff sort of on the till manning the tills, so we're saving from that perspective. But those staff then are reallocated to actually preparing the food and serving the food. It's focusing the resource in something that actually can turn things around quicker. We've tried to set it up as simply as possible with very straightforward menu options. This is the item and this is the item, rather than having lots of variability within it, albeit the system actually is built to be able to include all that variation if at any time we want to do it. So it's something that we can grow into it if we need to. I think absolutely it is the way forward. This is a very important and emerging part of the mix. Technology is definitely playing its part, but I think it's very much a mix of technology and the human interface, because it needs to make sure at the end of the day that there's a quality product being served at the end of it. The customers certainly seem to appreciate it, because of course if they can transact quicker and they get their food quicker, then that's absolutely going to work for them.